Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your POCO X5 Pro. So there is two ways on this phone, by Google Enzyme and by the web browser. I will show you the first method now. So we have to open the gallery. Now look for the photo that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and just click here. Now tap on the Google Lens, and you can see the Google software automatically looking for similar or the same photo. That was the first method. Now the second one, we have to open the web browser, then go to the google.com. Now it's very important step, click here and switch your web browser to that desktop site. Now tap on the small camera icon and choose upload a file. Add the permissions to the files and choose the photo like before, like this one. Now click done and Google looking automatically for the same photo and a similar one, of course. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.